Sorkar Jilla hapok kejingalam ukanrat ke sangma bat Sorkar Assam hapok kejingalam uhimanta biswa sarma henne ka khat artrik ukula lengkot kila shimya karai bahala ni shua ka arpwe trik ukula lengkot araja arpwar kin yakindo biang ban shimya karai ka bakado haka baidei bat kejingpun bei ya uput usam sembut menteri rangba ke jela uba perston tensong habakren bat kinong pathai khubor hadin balawai ke jingalang hanong ba Guwahati ulaong ke jingalang jongki arngut ki menteri rangba kalapoi shi ke jingaso thu jingmut ha ka baidei bat ki jaka ki ba kilawan ban jurim hakapun bat labatharu ya baro ki sorkar jela ban pinkre ye ka kaipot ka bapura bat ki menteri rangba kin se ya kendu biang bat kin salej ban ya kendu ya menteri ki kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah bat onda kilawan pai kin saya soy ya ka jingya te kular bat on sa panbana pa ba ya kani sha ki pa ba ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam ya kani ke jingalang lapenlong ha ka state guest house jong ka Assam ka bodon ha koina dhara marjan bat kakhana para.
Okay, iakren iakren. Mana don katukan ni ki issues ka ba kadon ka JGM project jong kitu kisnong ka ha ba ka block 2. Ti iakren iakren ti nakaliang jong chief minister ka Assam he already assured laong ba unsa take care unsa instruction ya ki concern district administration bat kumjuru ya ki SPs ha ki district ki repair ba kanum jiasu kini ke nang nei smart
lo nang smart kin hadin bag ladap agreement kin mun isu
kanum not jumata namar ya kan ni kala adon lepa ka standard agreement kalong ba habadon kitu ki issue kinu komot arteli kini district administration la kalong nak Assam kalong Meghalaya kamot kin ya syong nang ta kin ya share ki issue brokoj kanang ba kanum don kan unu ki jikta ha ka bede bat karoi ka par jong kitu kisnong ki ba don ha kitu ki jaka ki ba long disputed today again one more meeting we had a very detailed inclusive meeting between both the honorable chief ministers, chief minister of Assam and chief minister of Meghalaya, and I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected, and now again both the chief ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two chief ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the meeting that we had. We had six areas or 6 sectors which we already started, and all these areas we discussed today, and as I said to you, very soon again both the chief ministers will sit down after getting all the detailed report from both the state government. They will sit down again, and thereafter they will take a final call. So let us see, let us wait, because right now we are yet to cross the bridge. But right now we are focusing on these 6 areas. So therefore, let us focus ourselves on these 6 areas, and thereafter again both the chief ministers will take a call which date or which month should we again take up those remaining 6 areas.
So sir, for this info up to today's meeting?
Yeah, very soon. That's what I've told you. In fact, we wish, if it is possible, because Meghalaya State, we are going to celebrate our 50th year on the 21st of January. Hopefully, maybe before that, both the chief ministers will take a final decision on this.